Hi! In front of me is DOOGEE S80 and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this DOOGEE. Firstly, go into menu. Now you need to find recorder and click on it. Then click on this red button and tap allow. As you can see, my recording is now on. You can pause it and unpause it by clicking on the same left button. If you wish to end your recording and save it, click on the right square one, tap on save, and click on the same button to access list of all your recordings. As you can see, mine is over here. If you want to delete it, you can always hold it, tap on this bin icon over here, and click OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!